What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the remote start feature on a 2017 Cadillac XT5. Like I said, it's a 17 XT5 in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. So taking a look at the fob, and you may notice mine has this protective case on it, so it looks just slightly different. But this button that's almost a circle, that is the remote start button right there. In order to use the remote start, what we need to do is press the lock button, and then we're going to hold that button down, the remote start button, for at least 4 seconds. And then the vehicle will start. If we want to cancel the remote start before we've gotten in the vehicle, we'll just hold that remote start button down for a few seconds, and it will cancel the remote start. Let's go ahead and remote start it again. So press the lock button, hold that button down. Now the vehicle will run for 10 minutes before automatically turning itself off if we don't get in and press the stop start button. If we want to extend that 10-minute runtime an additional 10 minutes, we just repeat the starting procedure. So to add another 10 minutes to how long this is going to run, I'm going to press the lock button and then hold that button down for about 4 seconds. Now, in order to be able to drive the vehicle, what we need to do is unlock it, and then we're going to get in. And just as you normally would when you're starting the vehicle, you need to press the brake in, press the stop start button, and now you're ready to drive as normal. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.